Hey, Sean's Boosted Garage here again. Just here putting the battery back in my car, and I got a loose battery connection. I've had that happen lots of times before, and I came up with this sort of solution a few years ago. And all it is I just cut a piece of sheet metal to fit over the post, and this is just enough to take up to decrease the diameter inside the post so that when you tighten up your battery cable, it'll still it'll be able to pinch the post instead of coming together tight at the clamp, but it still won't tighten it. So anyways, I just took I set some sheet metal here, some snips. I found a socket that sort of fits the post, or that was the same diameter of the post, and I used that to form the diameter for my shim, I guess you want to call it. So anyways, I'll show you how it goes on here in a minute. All right, here we go. So this is it. Just slides over the post like that. And I have mine, I have my clamp open up quite a bit. I'm just gonna make it easier to go on. So it should just slide over. You take a little hammer and sort of get it in place. And take my little impact here. Bring her up tight, and it's tight, it's not moving. This one here was good and everything to do with that one, but it's definitely tight now. You can see you can kind of see the shim down in there. Yeah, so now the only other thing I can figure is how I'm gonna hook this up, because I used to put it in there, but now that that won't come together tight, then I'll have to figure out this connection. But anyways, that's beside the point. Yeah, anyways, I thought this was just a quick little hack, little tip, little whatever you want to call it, and save you a few bucks on buying a new clamp. I could probably go do that, but I don't really want to, and this works out. So all right, talk to you later.